Hey guys, I just want to welcome you to this bonus section of this course. And the reason why you're looking at this page right now, this is actually my blog. And I just want to show you, if you just go to TurnAroundFitness.com, that is actually going to be my blog. And when you get to the page, you're going to see a page just like this. And if you're interested in doubling your muscle, you feel free to leave your email address and you'll be getting a lot of free information. But if you don't want that, all you have to do is hit this button here, I don't want muscle, and it's going to take you directly to my blog. Now, when you come to my blog, you're going to see this right here. This is where all my other courses are on Udemy. And as you remember, in the course, I talked a lot about 180 muscle. So this is 180 muscle right here on Udemy. If you go to my blog, you'll be able to click this image and it'll take you right to it. So 180 muscle is basically a program that helps you burn fat and build muscle in 180 minutes a week. And basically, when you break that down, you're only going to be training 4 days a week, and each workout is 45 minutes. So if you guys are looking to really maximize your fitness goals by implementing the intermittent fasting course that you just taken, and also you can take this 180 muscle, you put those two together, they're very, very powerful in helping you build the body that you desire. Now, when we go to the next one, this course here is actually free. This is for people who have never worked out in the gym and they just don't know where to start and they don't know the proper way to build muscle when it comes to lifting techniques, nutrition. This is an excellent course. I'd encourage you guys to join this. This one is always free. I have almost 8,000 students currently enrolled in this course, 4.5 stars. So guys, I would really encourage you to check this out. This is a really good course. If you're kind of thinking about joining a gym, you definitely want to go through this. Next, the other course that I have here, this is more for advanced people. I kind of go through, once you've been in the gym for a little bit and you want to get a little more advanced, I tell you some techniques, 5 specific techniques that you can do that'll really start to increase building muscle and losing fat at the same time. This one, again, guys, is a really, really great course. Got some good ratings on this. And I would encourage you guys to check that out when you feel like you're ready to go to the next step. Now, if we go to the next one, we have here, Get Leaner, Stronger, Faster, Weekly Wednesday Workouts. And the reason why I call this, actually I need to go back here. Let's go back, all right. So the reason why I call this Weekly Wednesday Workout is because this course is an ongoing course that I upload videos every Wednesday, and they're basically techniques that you will get on every muscle group. So one day I may do chest, a back workout, arm workout, legs. I basically cover every muscle on the body, and I give you tips and tricks on how to bring up those body parts that maybe you're trying to work on. So I would encourage you guys, check this one out too. You actually get to see me in the gym performing these workouts, and I actually walk you through the workouts. So this is a great, great course if you're interested. Next, if you really want to get your nutrition down, I have simple meals for optimal muscle growth, Monday muscle meals. So again, I call this course Monday muscle meals because every Monday I upload new recipes, and you actually get to see me in my kitchen cooking very healthy meals for muscle building and fat loss. So I'd encourage you guys to check that out as well. This one will go really good with the course that you just taken with the intermittent fasting. This will give you some good food ideas for you to start cooking and enjoying. And let's see, and actually we're done. So that was all the courses that I have. I have 6 courses currently, guys. The one you just taken will be number 7. So I would make sure, guys, to check these out. And before I go, guys, I just want to give you a brief overview of my blog. I write articles on my blog, so you may want to check these out. There's different articles that I write. Here's one, for guys who have trouble gaining weight. And here's some of the videos that I do on specific muscle groups. So make sure, guys, to check this out. I've got some free stuff that you can get on my blog here. If you leave your email here, you get like a video series. I have different products here too, guys. This is one area that you may want to check out other than Udemy. If you come here, you have a muscle building system. You have workout programs for fat loss. You have some one-on-one coaching, which I offer. I have some specialization phases, and then just some miscellaneous programs. So if you come here, if you just go to products, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. This is my one-on-one coaching program, and then you can see all the products. Some of these are mine, and I will tell you guys that some of these are not mine. Some of these are guys that I know that I've gone through their programs, and they are very, very effective. So as you come to this page, you're just going to see a ton. This is like the whole weight loss section here. It's awesome nutritional books, workout plans. These are your muscle building specialization phases. If you want to specialize in specific muscles, like here's one for, let's see, the best exercises that you've never heard of. This one's for chest, back, abdominals, if you want to really get six-pack abs, your arms. So make sure, guys, to check this out. This is an awesome, awesome page where you can find a lot of products. And then you can actually go back to my blog here. I'll just go ahead and hit the back button. And it's actually going to take you to that landing page again. So if it does, you just click this here. You'll scroll down. So I have some free gifts here, guys, that you can get. Here's my coaching. You can contact me at any time by hitting this here. I also sell my 180 muscle method here as well. And I really encourage you guys to check this blog out. I'm always updating new articles. And I hope, guys, I will see you here. Again, guys, I really appreciate you guys taking this course. I hope you got a lot out of it. And make sure, guys, to join my other courses. I really look forward to seeing you there. All right, guys, take care. And remember to train hard, eat smart, and pursue your dreams.